There we go. Thanks. Sorry about that. Hi guys, welcome to So Crypto. I'm your host Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you tonight. Today we're going to be talking about will the markets crash now, or will the market crash continue now? If you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay without it, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, hit the like button on the sub. Do those awesome little things. I just screwed up the whole intro. Anyways, guys, thank you all for being here. Thank you all for being part of this awesome crypto community. Let's invite people here. Links to the Discord are gonna go out right about now. And if you're watching on YouTube, they're gonna be pinned here on top of the chat in a second. Yo, Tiger Artist, what's up? Do I like NFTs? Some NFTs. Doc, let's go! I've been out of town a few weeks and no service. This last week's stream's awesome, dude. Thank you very much for being here, man. Much appreciated. There we go. Why is there a bright light over there? I wonder. Did I did something to that light? Maybe. That should be like that. But that's not the light that is bright. That's the light that is bright. That's weird. That light has never been bright before. Oh, and I know why the shade is from the sculpture. Here's a finished piece. I put a cello on top of it to avoid it getting a lot of dust caught up on top of it. But yeah, this is a finished piece, man. Right? That's pretty freaking neat. It is pretty big, dude. It's about 30. It's about 12 inches. 12, almost 12 and 13 inches. Yeah, 13 inches almost. That's a pretty good piece, and I have it here on the desk because I have no idea where I'm gonna place it. So. May you send me? Yes, you may. You may send whatever you want, my friend. It's easier if you hit me up on the Discord. Join our Discord, and then you message me there. All right, let's roll. First of all, stream started late. I'm really caught up with work. Sorry about that. But let's get rolling. Let's go to a screen where the magic stuff happens. All right, the magic stuff. Oh, here we are. Here we are. All right, Masters of the Universe. There we go. All right. So we dropped. We were trying, right, to go higher throughout the day, and we failed miserably. We just came back down and managed to close still in the red. But at least the movement seems to be dying down a bit because we just had a massive movement down. Can't continue, yeah, for sure, man. We can still get some of these nastiness coming through, right? All right, leg over here, man. It was 12%. Here we dropped a little bit more, 12.39, about the same. It just looks a lot larger because we're at a higher valley. So we can still drop. All right, we can still drop. Discord link is invalid. Look at the click on the one I just sent on here, on the chat. The Discord link is invalid because we get a lot of bot attacks. So just have to click on the one that's in the chat, right? Anyways, bullishness. So we're looking for potential moving up. Maybe get some kind of recovery. We're at $924 billion. We're no longer a $1 trillion asset class. So check out Bitcoin. The corn dropping, bouncing. We're at 20,000 and change, right? Where do we hit? 20,911. And we bounced. We managed to close above 21,955, which is good. Right now, again, like I said, we try to recover. We try to go for 23,000. Failed to break above it. And still, right now we're in the small channel, the 23,000 to the 21s, 20,000s, and trying to figure out where we're gonna go. We have that bullish divergence that is still in play. It will try to get us to hold, and maybe try to go positive. It's not 100% sure yet. We still managed to close in the red and oversold at 23.81, right? So lowest it has been forever and ever and ever. Seems like a long time ago. Anyways, it is a Tuesday. Cheers, guys. It's just a freaking long Tuesday. So I've decided I need to be out to chill. Anyways, we are managing to hold, and we did not close a candle. Although we dropped, we did not close a candle below 21,955, so it's holding at support, right? Good stuff. Coming in lower, lower, and lower, still oversold at 25.83, so nothing bullish here in the 4-hour. 1-hour chart, man. We did here close below that $20,000 mark slightly. 20,000, what was the lowest point here? 20,828, right? So dope. Yeah, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, maybe. I'm not sure. We'll see. Anyways, we'll just get the pop 20 rejection. Try to get above the 20 rejection. All right, we are not creating any kind of divergence here, at least not that I can see. Maybe some hidden divergence from here, but that's about it. I mean, Really not strong. We just had a major movement down. The market's scared, right? The market's scared. Are we scared here? No, not at the state of crypto, right? Not at So Crypto, sorry. We ain't scared at So Crypto. I'll just anchor there to there, and that's it. Anyways, we're moving sideways, not dropping. So again, the bullish divergence trying to get us to hold. Hidden divergence, bearish, doing its job, getting us to move down, maybe sideways. And that's about where we're at right now, man. Now we're gonna get a recovery. Maybe we get a recovery rally, right? It's not looking so bearish right now. Neutral at 45.31. And yeah, let's go check. What is this elbow cough? Oh, this is a dab. It's weird because to me it shows like this elbow cough, and then I have to go out and look at the actual meme, and it's like the dude going like that, right? Anywho, what is happening? That's it for Bitcoin. I mean, there's really not a lot. We're like now at this level, right? We were at this level. Now we're at this level. Trying to figure out where we're gonna go. If anything, we're making a sort of symmetrical triangle. If you just want to call for somethingness happening. Run high to low. Maybe something like that, right? I mean, yeah, something like that could make sense. Small symmetrical triangle. We're gonna look for a break out of it. We shall see though if it keeps on playing. What is the difference? Well, in one you're spending a lot more money than the other. It's just the same thing. It's just Bitcoin. Bitcoin's Bitcoin. Doesn't matter if you buy fraction or hold Bitcoin. You're holding Bitcoin. You're exposed to its movements and price fluctuation. Ethereum, the daily. Again, bullish. We did manage to close slightly on the green, but not with a lot of strength, right? We are sitting at the 1,200s. That's it. Really not a lot has changed since yesterday. 4-hour chart, same analysis, bullish divergence. Try to go for that small move up. We did hit that 1,261, failing. Came back down very close to 1,153, and right now we are trying to go back up again. We shall see if this bullishness is going to see us through and play stronger, better, faster, whatever that song is. All right, let's get going. 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, I forgot to anchor something, so we're gonna fix it right now. Hey, look at that. We're looking for the bullish divergence. We managed to get it. Yes, sir. It just managed to drop a little bit lower than we were looking for, right? Just went there. And we still managed to hold on to it here, and the bullish divergence while being oversold, getting us to move back up again. With this becoming the new normal, because we've just been fluctuating at this level now for a couple hours. And, you know, that's where we're at. So, shoot. 1,200 is the new normal for ETH. Don't y'all miss the good old days when Ethereum was hitting the, almost $5,000 mark. 4,800 and change. Anyways. That's Bitcoin, that's Ethereum. I'm not sure there's been any requests coming out. So we're going to look ADA real quick. Y'all know what happened at the FOMC meeting? I wasn't able to check it out. I've been really busy today at work, so I was not looking a lot at the charts or the markets. Bullish divergence section upside, getting that moving up, right? Struggling to go much higher again here. Low, high, low, positive, more positive, less positive, low, high, low. All right, so nothing bearish. Not here. From the previous island, we do have bearishness. This here island. And you're gonna see in a second which island I'm talking about. Particularly if you're an island boy. There we go, right? So it's bearish divergence. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Bearish divergence hidden. Action downside, maybe sideways motion. Drop below 20. Right now we're trying to recover but failing. There's really nothing to here that is bullish. Low, higher, low, higher, low. Slow, higher, low, higher, low. That's it. Go to daily. On the daily. Nothing. Right, we did manage to recover slightly 3.85%, not bad. Cardano's holding beautifully, while the rest of the crypto market is just taking a huge, humongous dumpage. It is holding better than a lot of other coins. Will we get a flippening? I'm not sure. Where's Cardano's? Yeah, it's gonna take forever for that flip to happen. No, Cardano dominance is at 1.77%. Congrats. All right, so I'm gonna do XRP. We haven't done it in a while. I'm just gonna check it out real quick. The XRP hitting 32 cents, right? Bouncing a bit. We're at this range now, 37 to 29. That is the range that we've managed to fall onto, and we're holding it, so it's good. 4-hour chart, man. Look, trying to go up, going for the, whatever, 20 moving average. That's what we're gonna be targeting. 32. Not really seeing a lot here as far as bearishness. Maybe some hidden bearish, but again, it just sucks. It's gonna put pressure on the price, right? Looks easier now than the bull run. What looks easier, man? What looks easier, Andrew? I'm not sure. It looks easier. It looks way easier now than the bull run. I'm not sure. Like losing money? It's much easier to lose money today than during the bull run. On the daily. There seems to be a sort of wall here that we're hitting, right? Look, we hit it once, twice, 3 times, almost 4 times. We're struggling to go higher, right? Again, here, if anything, there is divergence. It is bearish. It is strong bearish. And that the possibility for actually flipping Ethereum. All right. So let's say it again, bullish, bearish, strong bearish, potential fractional downside. We might go for a 20 moving average at 31. We might even drop to 29. Again, it's just going to depend on what the market does. Right now, the market's scared. So the market being scared, gotta wait. Where are we at, man? Are we at extreme fear still? Let's just refresh. Oh, 7. We managed to fall lower. We were at a 7. That just means jack, because that just means that people are fearful, and that's fine. Ema's hives, we'll check him out. This is the hive you're looking for, right, May? It's at 35 cents, sir. I have 2 hives. Here, this is one that we've been looking at. 35 cents, all right. So our target has been hit. All right, we kind of hit it here and here as well. We're in this triangle, or rising triangle. We said that if we break down, we're going to go here. I can't remember when we last looked at it. It was probably somewhere around here. Oh, we hit targets. Great. Right. So, bullish divergence. It has the divergence of the bulls. Because you're going to try to rally, I guess. All right, that's what we're looking for. Potential action to the upside. We have it against the MACD and the RSI. For that to happen, Bitcoin needs to chill. Sold at 30.60. Man, look at how much it's dropped. Yesterday managed to close in the red, still 0.08%. Then 2 days ago, 17% down. Hive ta, yeah. All right. Lower, more negative, and lower still. Sold at 33.90. Again, here, there is some kind of resistance line going on here, right? We can draw one from here to here like that. Boom, there's a resistance. You can even draw another one that's slightly shorter term. That would be like this, and then we'd be breaking it, but I don't believe that's one to play. This one, the one that's a play. So we need to break this line, hopefully to the upside. Rejecting it again would lead us to farther sell-off. NTA, great. The 1 hour chart again. Choppiness here. Again, lower, lower, and lower. Low to hodge. There's nothing bullish or bearish. It's just chilling here on the 1 hour chart, man. The 1 hour chart is just making a symmetrical triangle, all right? After I'm moving down, sort of. It's just coming in somewhat like that. Again, I'm not going to pinpoint accurate. I'm just highlighting the pattern that's there, and that's something like that. That's what we're looking at here, right? Right on, guys. Right on. Like, I collect some stuff. I'm not like a huge collector. Like, I have comics and playing cards and things like that. But how much would one of these things go for? That is my question. Like, I have no clue how much one of these 3D prints and painted things would go for. Does any of you guys know what the market for these things are? Like this? I have no clue for reals. Again, silicone on top, just to keep the dust from, getting it all dusty and whatever until I sell it. I'm actually gonna put it in a bigger bag. But for now, this is it. I have no clue how much one of these things is worth. So tell me how much I am worth. I'm kidding. You're gonna have to sell some collector, I know. The thing is, I have no clue how much it's worth. Yeah. A mess is about 350. Like 350 or like $3.50. Here's 350 Bitcoin. Kidding. 3 Bitcoin and 50 Ethereum. Some weird thing like that. Yeah, I know. I think so. I mean, it's definitely not a licensed Marvel product. I think I can get secure permission from the author to sell it or resell it. So I have no clue, man. I'm trying to make these things to, get some, like, therapy while I paint, I guess. Because it really relaxes me when I just sit down and paint, right? And what I'm trying to do is see if, I can turn it into, like a small... It's not going to be a full business because it just takes forever. It's a lot of my time I have to put into painting. It's not something that runs itself. But, just trying to think about, having it as a side gig where I get to sit down, I get to paint, which I'm enjoying. And then, it's something I could, turn a profit on, I guess. Cars and crypto, yo. Someone may buy it due to the price. What price, dude? Like, yeah, we haven't established a price, so we need to know the price for this painted thing. Right? So we need to know the price. We need to establish a price. What is a price? A guy said a cat and a dog, and I said, what breed? He didn't reply. I was like, knowing a breed, at least you can put a price on it. But this, man, this. I said to sell it for 500 or 1K. I'm not sure if someone will buy it for $500. I could try. I'm not sure it's like epic paint job. It's a pretty good paint job. I'm not sure it's epic, super professional, right? But I think it's pretty good. How's Dixie looking? I have no clue. We haven't looked. The dollar index at 105. Ooh, it took a small drop throughout the day. All right, it's dropping today though. Started yesterday a little bit. It's dropping a bit. We had the bearish divergence, potential for extra downside. We know it's there. Might try to move us down a bit. We shall see. Again, it's the third time we're developing it. So 1, twice, 3 times. Wouldn't it be crazy if we did a Bitcoin here? What do I mean by Bitcoin? Y'all remember that Bitcoin all-time high? And after our all-time high, we kind of came down. Then we tried to rally and failed, and then it just went down. Then we created some hidden divergence on that last move. Wouldn't that be crazy if we created something like this, and then it just looks like Bitcoin? The dollar is Bitcoin. Oh no. Jorge, what's up, dude? Yeah. I'm not sure I saw you sell it for X amount of money, though. All right. I didn't see that coming. It's a pretty good sized piece, though. I think like, from far, like whatever things it might have when you really zoom in with a lens, you might be able to see, but, from far, you can't see any flaws in it. It's fairly good. So, again, I believe like a professional would have done a much better job. But, me being an amateur and doing this as a hobby, again, it's trying to see how much I can flip this for. Really, Jorge? This looks like your wife. This looks like your wife. I hope you're not saying that your wife is made of plastic or something like that. Like, Jorge's wife he got married to a plastic, sex doll in Japan or something. That'll be like, crazy. Again, guys, if you enjoy the content, hit the like, the bell, and the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Oh man. And she's person in the programming. Yeah. What, your Bitcoin bottom? Them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. Yeah, Bitcoin bottom. I'm eyeing depends. If we go for that, historically move down that is done twice in the past after hitting all-time highs, and we go down 83%. We're looking somewhere between 12 and 10,000, right? That's what, we can infer by looking at it historically and how those movements have behaved after hitting all-time highs. Now, whether or not we're going to see that is going to depend. There is a CME gap at 18,000 that we haven't closed. I said we're going to probably close, if we drop below 25,000, we're going to close at the 21,000 or 23,000 CME gap, which we did. There's two more gaps left, or three. There's one on 18K or 18.5. And then there's another one that has to be right around 9,000. So if we do close that 18,000 one, I believe we could certainly try to close all the gaps that we have open and then leave 0 gaps open onto the downside. And then we can resume or rally and start looking for moves to the upside, right? Spell token. Dude, I'm not sure. What's the ticker for spell token? Is it spell? Spell on Binance. I'm just gonna assume it's a spell, man. Another thing. What about vector candles? Who is Victor Candles? Who's this dude named Victor? What does he have to do with candles? I mean, if you go by the market maker theory and whatever Tino talks about, then yeah, they do tend to close and recover. So I'm not sure, because I'm not really familiar with his theory in full, but I would assume this would have been a vector candle that needs to be closed, I guess. So maybe that would imply that we're going to see action to the upside. Which dude? Tino, Traders Reality? Alright, there's some bullishness. Oh no, I hit a new tab. Rando. John Rando. Oh wait, that was John Rambo. Never mind. Never you mind. Right. Man, we have some bullish divergence. Potential fraction to the upside. Went up, hit the 20. That would have been the first one we would have called. Right now, if we do want to hold on to it, could be looking for continuation. Maybe hit that 20 again, but it's not looking really hot, right? CBA, what's up, dude? Or other Andrew in the His Hills. Yeah, it's going slightly higher. I'm not going to go for that divergence, though. There is some hidden divergence though, starting to develop up here. Why is this not working? There we go. I just outlined the move. Bearish divergence. Potential fraction to the downside. Oh no. Why? I think that's the reason we're rejecting that 20 on the daily. Low to high right here. Yeah, some divergence that's bullish, but not playing. It is not playing, man. It is not playing. Hidden bullish. Moving us up though. Get that 20, trying to hold it. That's it. I mean, not a lot of strong stuff, right? Tino, lol, hopefully Steve gives you a call. What Steve? Yeah, Tino talks about vector candles, but I'm not sure who Steve is, who's gonna call me. Why is Steve gonna call me? What Steve? Which Steve? Give me a Steve's name. Regular Steve that's here? CBA says Link. Link-a-dink-a-dink-a-dink. Alright, let's look at Link. Bro, lol. Steve calls Tino. He's a market maker. It's a joke on the channel. Alright. Scuba Steve? Yeah. Steve McQueen. Stevie dibby 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 dee dee. Skibbity dooba dab. Doomer, green jumpers, where? All jumpers end up going down and then they splat on the ground. On the daily. Coming in lower, dudes. Again, there's some bullish divergence. Oh, damn, why am I hitting new tabs all the time? What's wrong with my shortcuts? Here we go. Alright, why is the shortcut not working? Here we go. There we are. Alrighty, here we go. Look at this. Oh, bullish divergence strong. Potential for action to the upside. Alright. So, oh, I did that divergence. I made it small. There we go. Bullish divergence strong. Potential to action for action to the upside. We're starting to get a green, nice green candle here on Link, right? It was a 13% gain. And round of bump again. We're going to try to go for $7.29. On the 4 hour, look at that. Some bullish divergence strong as well. Why? Do I keep hitting new tabs? Jesus. Why do I keep hitting new tabs, man? What's wrong with me? What's wrong with my hands? They don't want to coordinate today. It's been a long day, guys. It's been a super long day. Like, you ain't got no clue, man. To the bullish divergence. Actually, upside. You're going to pop. You're going to go above that 20, right? Low, high. Some divergence here that is hidden. Might put pressure on the price. I sold 3 prints today. No, not 3. It was 6 prints. But, like, it was 2. It was a project. It was actually 2 prints, but it was 6 parts in total. So it was like 3 parts per print. Yeah, that's pretty good though. It's a $50 project. It only took me like a day to print. I mean, considering that the machine's doing the whole work and I'm not doing anything, it's a pretty good return on investment for the amount of filament it consumed, because it was a fraction, man. I think out of those $50, it cost me like maybe $2 in filament. So I made $48 on top of that. That was pretty good. That's a win in my book, considering electricity and everything else. Probably around $40 gains for, you know, sitting here and just having something print. Bull guy tell you, yeah, maybe I'll go to the flea market and sell fleas to the people that work there. Flea prints to the flea market people. Neutral 49.19 on the 1 hour. Oh, stuff from another time scale. Don't you hate it when the future comes into the shorter time scale? It's like the past. We are not time lords, sir. Oh, maybe it was from the daily. And this one's from 4 hour. I just completely forgot to anchor this one, man. I completely sucked at anchoring this one. Here we go. You short the sheriff, but you're not short the deputy. I short the Bitcoin, but I did not short the Ethereum. Yo, someone should make that song. Maybe become a crypto song. Like, I shorted the Bitcoin, but I did not short the Ethereum. Just give me credit if you do. Be like, oh, Stellar Crypto came out with that one. Oh, damn, I just keep hitting new tabs again. When I finish this, I'm going to have to close so many tabs. Here we go. Oh, bearish divergence, potential for extra downside. If we do drop the 20 moving average at $6.42. Man, the thing is the market going to recover today, man? What is the FOMC saying? Did anyone say what the FOMC said? Do we have any data on that? Like, I have not looked at it, right? Like, I have not seen any news today, man. I've just been stuck in a cave working. I just want to deliver, like, whatever I printed, but it's been a heavy day, man. You know, that tender that got postponed to Friday, I'm working on a lot of that stuff, man. It's just freaking nuts. Like, this is how many pages the economic proposal is right now. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it. I just want to show it here on the screen. It's 11 pages so far, and I'm still working on it. Besides that, I have to make a whole bunch of files to turn in. Like, how are we going to hire the people? What qualifications are going to have? Oh, look, another thing. This one, 39 pages, is a technical proposal. And then I have to make the, you know, where is this thing? Is it this one? No, this one, this one, this one. No. Have to make all these, you know, forgot what the names of these things are. Organizational charts for how each unit is going to be working. And then the time it's going to take us to get everything up and running. And then do their SWOT analysis. And then do their actual situation of the company. And then put on our accreditations. It's going to be a freaking pain in the butt, man. I have to have all that by Friday. So it sucks, man. You shorted your short with the short range, short stuff. Yeah, I should include a pay raise in there, right? If we win, I'll definitely have to get one, I guess. Otherwise, I'm gonna be freaking pissed. I'm gonna be freaking pissed. Yeah. Getting rejected of 22K. Getting rejected of, 23,200. This is a rejection, right? It was going up, rejected, come back down. Now I'm trying to rally again. Trying to rally again. And again, we're just hiding here into what looks to be a triangle of sorts. We'll call it the triangle of sorts of doom. Of doom sorts. Short dooms. Doom shorts. Shorty McShortlands. Something. There we go. Again, this is just an approximation of what this triangle would potentially look like. It's symmetrical. It could break either way. I'm thinking it might break down still because just the market feeling is overall bearish. But poop on down bears. Yeah. On them down sloping bears. Guys, I think it's going to be a stream for tonight. Again, I cannot go on too long. I still have a ton of work to do. It's part of the reason the stream started late. I was checking out some of the data with other people. And now I get to get back to work, which is a lot of fun. Yay. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Remember that all the information we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Hey. Yeah, don't try based on what you see here. We're discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. On that note, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'll be here tomorrow, I think. Unless this thing starts to get out of hand again, and you know I'm fully into this tender, but I'm hoping that I can do this right. Hi, uncle. I'm buying crypto first time. Ooh, that is awesome. Congrats on buying crypto first time. Good luck. I'm about to sign off, man. I'll come live every night at 9 p.m. Central or 8 p.m. Yeah, 8 p.m. Central. At changed times, but today I came late. But you know, you can join me whenever you want. I'm here almost every night, usually every night, just whenever I'm up to my neck in work and things like that. But if you guys enjoy the content, you know what to do. I'll catch you guys then for another edition of So Crypto.